In a world where integrity and dedication are rare, it is a noble tradition to recognize those who uphold these values. His Royal Highness Dr. Alhaji Ibrahim Sulugambari, CFR, the Emir of Ilorin, proudly invite you to the top banning ceremony of Professor Yusuf Ali, SAN, as the first Kuliyan Geri of the Ilorin Emirate. Date is Friday, 11th April 2025. Time is 10 a.m. Venue, the Emir's Palace, Ilorin. A grand reception follows at Atlantic Event Palace along Ofagara Road, Ilorin. Time, 3 p.m. Join us as we celebrate leadership, honor, and a lifetime of service to the community. Congratulations to Professor Yusuf Ali, SAN, the first Kuliyan Geri of Ilorin Emirate.